doing?
I have a clit scenery, you know. Because we don't deal with dick scenery. So I have a clit scenery where if you look on the loyalty, you see Sean Storm and you see them. If you look on the annoying, you will also see them. Right?
No.
You know, baby. Don't flap me up on the big TikTok.
I'm not annoying.
You are annoying, babe.
I'm loving.
Kiss me. If you're annoying. Gotcha.
No, when it comes down to me and Tanya relationship, I know enough people go there wonder if me and Tanya did have anything intimate. And not gonna lie, there was one night.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tea Time with T. In today's video, we'll talk about VYBZ KARTEL choosing which island he will visit first. Also, he went live on TikTok and big up all of the countries, every country where put them name and big them up. Also, we'll talk about Tontravles and Jaifraiis going at it again, and Laing and KARTEL having a dispute with staying on KARTEL show. But before we jump into the video, make sure you like this video. I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel. If it's your first time watching, leave a comment and share. Stay tuned. Today VYBZ KARTEL was out and about with Sean Storm and see them. Sean Storm had a live with iStat and KARTEL kind of pitching a little bit for a few. Then he went live with Sidem on TikTok and he was talking to his fans and he showed his passport and told them which country he was gonna go to first. So check this out.
Birmingham, London, remember me now, London. Up to the time, just see somebody say Guyana. Why Guyana people have it say me now come a Guyana? And Guyana one of the countries that I love. Big up the Guyanese. Remember me and you closer than Siamese. Kenya. Oh, you know Kenya I'm a place, man. Kenya, Ghana, Gambia. You know them thing they go. Blood clot, me see somebody say Wales. You know, we burn everything with scales. Big up Wales. There's a thing there. Brooklyn in the house.
What that over your head?
Yeah, I say Dubai. Dubai. Liverpool. You know, our best football team that. Hey, nobody that you over there on the Sierra in a Man U jersey.
Man all the way.
I want to her.
Do that. Don't show for 10 minutes. Decline.
Yeah, as I made that say, where do you see now Man U jersey?
Man U all the way.
We not deal with Man U. And Liverpool, the badness there. You see me? Yeah, big up France. Me just see a girl from France.
Big up the Kurds.
The Kurds?
Yeah.
Is that a thing?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
You're not going to see it there, so I put it there.
Never walk alone, how you mean? How you mean? Better Belize, Suriname, Amsterdam. Oh, they say them the Amsterdam. Kenya, Malawi, Ghana, Montserrat, Gambia. They say I think them is the France again. They got the French. Which teddy bear that? Wifey bear. Derby County. Yeah, 90s badness. What you mean? KARTEL. I don't know what that means. Senegal. Remember, no, me a one burner now. One time he'd have many gal.
Oh.
Oh. Big up Guadeloupe. Merci beaucoup. Big up France, Nigeria there, North London. That's our Tottenham.
And mine.
St. Lucia in the building. You know them play. Bangladesh, big up. I know you're gonna look for me when they say Bangladesh. People, if I ever tell you why she look for me when I say big up Bangladesh. Blood clot. Kill she want kill me and go to prison go look through mesh.
He knows me too well.
Big up 80. Uganda.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Kenya, you know the badness go. Atlanta, Georgia. Guyana, Suriname. Martinique. Big up Martinique. Oh, big up Trinidad, you know, aka Trinidad, you know. I mean, that's the thing there. Georgia. That one in Eastern Europe, that. That's the thing there. South London. No, man, you know South London, I'm a place, man. Brixton, man, you talk about, man. Peckham. You know where badness go. Northampton. St. Martin. Which side? The Dutch side or the French side? Look for me when me say big up Bangladesh. Blood clot. Kill she want kill me and go to prison go look through mesh.
He knows me too well.
Big up 80. Uganda.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Kenya, you know the badness go. Atlanta, Georgia. Guyana, Suriname. Martinique. Big up Martinique. Oh, big up Trinidad, you know, aka Trinidad, you know. I mean, that's the thing there. Georgia. That one in Eastern Europe, that. That's the thing there. South London. No, man, you know South London, I'm a place, man. Brixton, man, you talk about, man. Peckham. You know where badness go. Northampton. St. Martin. Which side? The Dutch side or the French side? Yeah, man, I want Waterford, man. You know I'm a place that. You hear that? One Waterford, one Portmore. You know where badness go. Yo, Gambia, in a building. You mean? That's the thing there. Yeah, man, Shandstorm, man. New name for loyalty, you know?
And mine.
I have a dictionary, you know. Because we don't deal with dictionary. So I have a dictionary where if you look on the loyalty, you see Shandstorm and you see them. If you look on the annoying, you will also see them. Right?
No.
You know, baby. Don't flap me on the big TikTok.
I'm not annoying.
You are annoying, babe.
I'm loving.
Kiss me. If you're annoying. Gotcha. Yeah, that's the thing there. God's the forever. Yeah, man, you know, badness go, man. A one world boss, see the man. Holy heap of art. You know me loving it from the start. Oh, babe. Bellies. Yeah, man, me a forward a bellies in the next. When we say we go
I think you
bellies?
said like in 2 weeks.
About 2 or 3 weeks we a forward a bellies. Go up on a little vacation with my bae.
Now, the other day there was a video of Tontravles calling Jaifraiis the B word, a bitch. So we said, oh, go on, and you know, we were clueless. Now, Jaifraiis went on his status and said, all right, he's gonna make a video. He posted some receipts. But before we jump in the clips, let's go ahead and like the video if you haven't done so already. And if it's your first time watching, remember to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the latest updates. So let's get into the clips.
Now, when it comes down to me and Tanya relationship, I know enough people go there wonder if me and Tanya did have anything intimate. And not gonna lie, there was one night. One view picture them. Tanya's gonna expose this girl nudes. That's what she said. And I have it on tape. And I'm going to play the fucking tape. Play the tape.
Hello.
Tell your friend if her boyfriend does not take that video down right now, I'm not coming after him, I'm coming after her. I'm not playing. Tell him to take that video down. Jan, I'm not playing. I was going to keep her name out of it, but all of this is all because I swear to fucking God, everything Daniel has said about her, every picture I have of her from Daniel's phone, everything, play with her, I'm not fucking playing. Tell him to take it down. And I know it's her. Tell him to take it down. I'm fucking, he has, I said he has 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Play with me. Everything, I don't give a fuck. I'm coming after her. God, this is her. It's think I don't know Jane, I'm not Jane, you to behave like a fucking bitch. Play with me. Play with me.
He also posted a series of shades about her being obsessed with him. She's texting him and he's not replying, only just like one worded answers, and all this back and forth. So take a look.
Bitch. I don't know who sit on fire. I don't know who. What is up your ass? Why you've been a bitch for the past 8 months? Nobody did anything to you. Nobody did anything to you. And you're going on like a fucking bitch. And you're treating walk and talk and everybody else like they've done something to you. Like everybody's against fucking Jaifraiis. Nobody not do nothing to you, brother. Nobody not do nothing to you. And you're going like a fucking bitch, brother. You want me bring foolishness to the internet? Because if me bring it to the internet, it's not going to be like walk and talk. It's not going to be like blood clot walk and talk. Stop being a bitch over foolishness. Nobody never do nothing to you. Facebook unfollowing and or removing as collaborators. Are you a bitch? Are you a bitch? Nobody did anything to you. Nobody did anything to you for you to be behaving like this. What the fuck is wrong with you, brother?
Later down in today, now, Tontravles went live and she had this to say about the situation. Check this out.
What I'm not understanding. This specific comment, I'm actually going to pin it. How you pin comments on this? I'm actually going to pin this comment because I think this comment makes so much sense. I'm going to read it. Him my own big man, him can decide on him own if he want to stay with her, she good, or if she good for him and not your business. I absolutely agree. And I have only had 2 conversations with Jaifraiis about that girl. I've only had 2 conversations with him. One in October and one in January, and both conversations were that's your girl, that's not my business. He's on the internet saying I've called off his phone. I sent people to him. Who? Find the people. Come on the internet and tell me the people that I went to. Come and show me the messages of me calling off your phone. Show me them, because I have, as soon as I get my WhatsApp up and working on the other phone, because I have the conversations of you calling me, screaming on the phone, asking me, why am I talking to her ex? I don't even know how you find out I'm talking to her ex. I don't understand how you find out I'm talking to her ex. You that foreign and you're ringing off my phone screaming, why I'm talking to her ex. You take the girl phone and pretend to be her and I message off the man that I'm talking to. What? And somehow I am the one that's behaving crazy. I send people to me while I'm at parties working. Why you don't like this girl? As if I've ever said anything to her, as if I've ever gone up to her, as if I've ever said anything to you. But oh, that's a girl, okay, cool, and moved on. I've never said anything to you. The one thing that you could have said I said to you, the one thing I would have said you could have said I said to you, is that the fact that you said she was making XYZ amount of money didn't add up. And I wasn't the only person that said to you. The other person that was on the call also said it to you, and we broke it down and explained to you why it doesn't make sense given the information.
Kartel did advertise his show, say to go keep in December. Apparently, there's some discrepancy between him and Sting owner, which is, Laing, and they must say this are going from before he go to jail. Apparently, allegedly, Laing indirectly threatened Kartel as say, oh, him a police and, want his worst enemy go to jail. So the best thing Kartel for do are probably like either keep it first part of December or keep it on his birthday. To me that's indirect shots. So these are some of the clips that, they were saying that Laing said regarding the show in December. As tension rises in Jamaica's entertainment scene, all eyes are on VYBZ KARTEL and Icon Sting Festival. Kartel's decision to stage his first major show post-incarceration in December has ruffled feathers with Sting organizers, particularly Tahir and Isaiah Laing. They're concerned that Kartel's event could overshadow Sting 2024, which for the first time is expanding to a 3-night format. Despite past conflicts, Isaiah Laing acknowledges Kartel's influence but warns Kartel what he perceives as a direct challenge to Sting's dominance. With both events vying for attention, the stage is set for a dramatic year-end showdown in dancehall world. So guys, there you have it. Sting and Kartel back at it again. Everybody has say Laing a try bully Kartel indirectly, especially in talk about how wish jail or prison pani worst enemy, and warn him. I say it better him keep it first of December. I mean, look at it this way. Kartel, they're jail for 13 years. You've been making millions within that time. Give him the time. Just give him the time, and you know. That's a good cause only for confrontation, and you know, at Christmas time we just want enjoyment. But tell me what you guys think in the comment section. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can keep up with the latest updates. Like the video, leave a comment, and share. I'll see you next time. Bye.